Welcome to this quick guide on enabling smart features and personalization in Gmail. If you want Gmail to understand you better and tailor suggestions, this walkthrough shows you exactly how to turn those features on. First, open the Gmail app on your device. You'll be greeted by your inbox ready to dive into settings. On the top left, there's a menu icon, 3 horizontal lines. Tap that to reveal the full navigation menu. Scroll down a bit until you spot settings and tap it. This is where Gmail stores all your account preferences in one place. Next, you'll see a list of your email accounts if you got more than one. Tap on the email account you want to configure. You'll land on the account specific settings page where you can tune many options. Look for the section labeled Smart Features and Personalization. This is where Gmail asks for permission to use your data to improve features like smarter email, categorization, predictive actions, and personalized experiences. Now, scroll to the Smart Features and Personalization option. You'll find a checkbox or toggle that enables these features. Turn it on. When you enable it, Gmail starts learning from how you use your email, your interactions, preferences, and patterns to offer smarter suggestions, faster search results, and more contextual email handling. If you ever want to adjust what data Gmail uses, you can revisit the same setting to review or refine your choices. After enabling, it's a good idea to test a few tasks to see the benefits in action. Try composing a message and see if Gmail suggests relevant contacts or autofills based on previous conversations. Open a few emails and note whether Gmail's smart filters and suggestions feel more accurate. You should notice a smoother, more intuitive inbox experience as Gmail adapts to your routines. If you prefer a bit more control, you can periodically review these settings. Return to the same smart features and personalization section to toggle things on or off, or adjust related privacy options. That way you stay in charge of how your information shapes your Gmail experience. That's all there is